it's a great initiative to make way for the ambulance. It's a huge problem, and of course, with Mumbai facing so much of traffic problems, and now that we have Mumbai Police, Maharashtra Police taking care of this, I'm sure we'll see great results by the end of next year, I'm sure. And of course, Mr. Maria being at the head of everything, I'm sure he's going to come out with something strategic. And more than just talking, I think we'll be able to implement something absolutely phenomenal. And I'm really happy to be associated with this. In fact, when they told me that this is the cause why I've been invited today, there was no two ways, but I'm a Mumbaiker, I'm a Maharashtrian, I'm an Indian. So it's very important that we start this initiative in Maharashtra and we take it and we take this initiative to the entire country. Because giving way to ambulance is not just a problem in our city or in our state, it's a problem everywhere in India. So I think with this initiative and with the help of all the media people, we'll be able to create an awareness, we'll be able to make people understand how important it is to give way to all the people who are suffering in the ambulance. As a Mumbaiker, in the streets of Mumbai, I've seen a lot of times that there have been ambulances wanting to give way. I just hope ambulances don't just give way to just empty ambulances. I think it's very important that we know the seriousness of the situation and give way to something which is important. And today I'm sure with this initiative today there will be a huge difference. I was just chatting with Mr. Maria as to how he's going to take care of this problem, and I think while he talks, I think he'll be able to tell you exactly what he's thought of, which is, I think, a very, very brilliant strategy. So hopefully, keeping my fingers crossed, I think there'll be a huge change in this from today on. So like Ms. Rita said, I think even I pledge today that I will make way for the ambulance.
Hi, this is Jolly Aluwalia Tiwari and you're watching me on Bollytown.